What's up, everyone? Just want to give you guys a quick little SPY analysis here. Figured I'd do a video today. So you guys know SPY is the S&P 500 ETF. This is what we watch here. So going into this new week, our main focus is going to be this red line here. And as you can see, it represents the 100-day moving average. So we haven't broken below it yet. We've actually been using it as a support. Last time we broke below it was in 2020 for the COVID-19 crash, and when we broke below it, you could just see volume intensified and SPY came down to 220. Obviously, we are now trading at much higher levels, but the same concept applies. So another thing to note at this 100-day moving average line is that it's right around this 400 levels on SPY here, and as you can see, volume is starting to pick up. So what does this mean? We've been talking about the fact that 400 is sort of a psychological level on SPY, and traders and investors just don't want to see their SPY shares go below it again. So we can anticipate that at 400 here, there are likely several stop losses placed that once triggered is going to cause a lot of selling, giving us a similar reaction here and causing us to possibly fall back down to this 380 mark and potentially even come down to test the 200-day moving average. Another scenario that can play out is something that we've seen here when we broke below the 20-day moving average. The 50-day moving average. The yellow line represents the 50-day moving average. So when we fell down here, volume picked up, as you can see, and investors and traders, institutional buyers and retail traders bought this up right here and managed to push us back up, at which point we had a bounce. You see the bounce did not last, and within 2 or so weeks we came back down and started bouncing and then are right back down to this point here. So if we do get that bounce, I always tell you guys this, do not necessarily trust it. Just because we bounce does not mean that we're in safe territory. In order for us to be in safe territory, we're going to need to get above this resistance point here at 460, and SPY is far from that. So we're still going to be playing it small and moderate, and we're going to be taking profits consistently.